This is iPhone 11, the next generation of iPhone, and it is jam-packed with great new capabilities and an incredible new design.
iPhone 11 has a beautiful anodized aluminum and glass design. And that glass, it's the toughest ever in a smartphone on the front and back. And the glass that surrounds the camera has a sculpted 3D geometry, and it was precision milled down from a single piece of glass to achieve this elegant look. iPhone 11 comes in 6 new colors with an all-new purple, white, yellow, green, black, and product red. It has a 6.1-inch liquid retina display with true tone, wide color, tap to wake, and haptic touch in even more places with iOS 13, like contextual menus. Now, videos are wonderful to watch on this display. And now we have spatial audio, which provides an immersive theater-like experience by creating a sound field around you using an Apple-designed virtualizer. And we support Dolby Atmos for an incredible sound experience. Now let's talk about camera. iPhone is the world's most popular camera, and it gets even better with iPhone 11. With an all-new wide camera, with a new sensor with 100% focus pixels for faster autofocus, 3 times faster in low light. And we have a new ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. This will let you capture way more in your photos and videos. This is doing an optical zoom out 2x, so you can capture way more without moving. We've also updated our image pipeline, which processes over 1 trillion operations per photo. And it's got our image signal processor, and it has our neural engine for machine learning. And now we've added semantic rendering. This allows us to more intelligently detect subjects and relight them with detail, so they look even better. Now, we use this across your photos, including in our next-gen smart HDR. Let's talk about night mode. Here's an image with night mode turned off. Here it is with night mode turned on. So when taking video, you can easily tap to switch to the ultra-wide camera to capture even more in your scene. You can also use the zoom wheel to just transition easily between the 2 cameras. Because we support 4K resolution up to 60 frames per second, slow-mo, time-lapse, cinematic video stabilization, and now extended dynamic range at 4K up to 60 frames per second. And this is across both cameras, which is pretty cool. We also wanted to make it easier for you to take a quick video with Quick Take. So now when you're taking photos and you decide you want to take a quick video, simply tap and hold the shutter button to record a video. So video really shines on iPhone 11. In fact, it has the highest quality video ever in a smartphone. We've also updated our front TrueDepth camera to a wider 12-megapixel sensor. So now you can still take your 7-megapixel selfies as you normally would, but simply rotate to landscape to capture even more people using that wider sensor. Also on the front camera, we've added 4K video with extended dynamic range up to 30 frames per second. And you can also capture on the front at 4K 60 as well. Now we've also added slow motion video to the front camera for the first time. Okay, so we want this to inspire you to go take some awesome slofies because we can't wait to see them. All right, now so much of our great camera is also enabled by performance. So if you look at CPU performance, with the iPhone XR's A12 Bionic chip, it still leads the pack in terms of the latest smartphones and chips. Well, the A13 Bionic is just going to extend that lead even further. So what about graphics? Because the A13 Bionic is also the fastest GPU ever in a smartphone.
As we trail the hour, we see the benefits of post-processing effects, including anti-aliasing and bloom, which are only possible with the GPU of the new iPhone. All of this with an incredible 60 frames per second of smooth performance.
And last year with the iPhone XR, we already had the longest battery life in an iPhone ever, and it was a big leap and our customers loved it. So with the advancements in iPhone 11, it'll still have an hour more than battery than in your iPhone XR for incredible battery life. So we're really excited to offer iPhone 11 at just $699.